Welcome back, everyone. Betska, the Guru Coach with Raj from Delhi. And today we are discussing heart disease, the #1 killer in the world, according to the World Health Organization. That was the stat from 2021. And we also discussed lifestyle or diet, rather. Sorry, that diet is also considered #1 killer, according to Dr. Greger from the US, for example. Anyway, we are delighted to welcome back to a Borderless Leadership Podcast, Dr. Sushant from Mumbai, to continue this discussion on heart disease. So, good doctor, what are the common heart diseases recognized in Ayurveda? How would you describe those?
So basically, if you go to the ancient scriptures, you will not find any topic on heart or uh, any chapter on heart. They are given the symptoms specifically. Like in Ayurveda, it's a resemblance to the condition called ajirna, means indigestion.
Oh,
Most of the heart disease, it happens in early morning or late night because people overeaten the food, heavy food, oily food, spicy food. Because of that, that creates a toxin inside your body. It goes to your heart and it causes the blockages. And in Ayurveda, it has been written ajirna, means indigestion. In that part of that chapter, it has given the chest pain, palpitation, breathlessness. So we need to treat according to the ajirna, that is indigestion. So people who are suffering from the indigestion, they have to take care. So heart disease cannot be like a heart disease, blood related or fat, but it's related to your digestion also. So need to take care of your digestion. That can be helpful for your cardiac conditions. People
wow.
take it. Also, people take the proton pump inhibitors like rabeprazole, pantoprazole for acidity. But that acid, where it will go? It will not vanish. It will go straight to your heart. That excess pitta, that excess acid, where it will go? It will not destroy. It will go to your heart and causes the heart disorders.
Oh my
So
gosh.
the
Okay.
ancient saint already, because of their powers and everything, they can understand the things.
Right. Okay. Wow. Who would have thought that? Hey, Raj, that's really interesting.
Uh,
My goodness.
actually, actually, what I learned last 1.5 year before when I gone through this problem. So I have seen people in my surrounding. Once any disease, any problem comes in our life, so they like Betska, you said they play victim card. They are talking so many people. Oh, I have this problem. That they are not realizing this problem is your. Only you are the responsible for resolve the thing. So you accept and then act and then implement and
Yes.
take precaution in the food. That is
Yeah.
important. When once I got these things, I was so scared. I don't have anyone to discuss. Then I realized I discussed with you, Betska was and me. And then I realized it is my problem. So I will take action and then I will do whatever
Yeah.
Yes.
I can. Although I was also feeling counseling. I'm thinking someone can give moral support, but no one there for me. This is also bitter truth.
Yeah.
True.
So here's the thing, when I think about the people who've got heart disease, for example, they almost give up
Yes.
because they don't realize that there's help out there. Because the first thing they do is they go and see a medical doctor, which is fine. However, if we were to consult with an Ayurvedic doctor or Ayurvedic practitioner, additional support is there to cure
Yes.
it, not just stabilize it, but to actually cure it, as in his patient story from the beginning. So let's talk about, Dr. Sushant, let's talk about the Ayurveda approach to heart disease. How would you describe that?
Ayurveda can be the powerful alternative to allopathic medicines. it can work concert with allopathic medicines, because at the time of heart attack they have to go for the angiography, whatever treatment they have to.
Mm-hmm.
But after that, to to balance the lifestyle, they have to take the Ayurvedic treatment. They
Right.
need to follow the diet,
Mm-hmm.
yoga, meditation, some herbs, and some panchakarma. That is some therapies they have to go,
Mm-hmm.
which really helps. I would like to share one simple remedy which creates a miracles. I've given to so many patients and amazing result. Amazing. It opens up all the channels of your body. I've given so many cases. Means if you have to treat any disease, it has to given a proper blood supply to that organ. Second is your neurosystem. So it can give a proper communication with that organ and your brain. So they can supply properly. These are two
Mm-hmm.
major systems you need to work. So first one is your heart. So in heart, there are specific one amazing and miraculous medicine is Arjuna. It's called Arjuna Arishta. If someone is having conditions like a heart, any condition like heart is not functioning properly, atherosclerosis or hypertrophy, you must take that Arjuna Arishta. It's a cardio protective, cardioactive enzymes and having. It improves the whole blood supply to the heart. Also, the ashwagandha. I also explained you the previous cinnamon. It is wonderful. It's like fantabulous in heart diseases.
Mm-hmm.
Diet. They have to be healthy vegan diet, rich in the fruits, vegetables, whole grains. But they must avoid the wheat, dairy products. Completely no, and any fatty foods they should avoid. So whatever the toxin inside your body, whatever you eat, it creates some toxins because we eat pizzas, burgers. It is not able to digest by our body. It will keep it in your stomach for 8, 12 hours. So definitely it's going to ferment, cause the toxins inside the body. So where these toxins will go if you're constipated? It will go to the weakest part of your body. If something is weak, so it will attack over there and it will land up into a disease. And continuous practice of this definitely land up into any kind of disease. It can be serious also. Second
Mm-hmm.
is panchakarma. Panchakarma is like a detoxification. So whatever it eats, it has to get purged out. Right? Panchakarma, there are 5 karmas are there. So it is really helpful to release the toxins and restore the dosha's balance. So like whatever the we every day we go for the motions to do the potty and everything, but still there's some part it's getting hampered. It's not getting proper motor. That intestine, it is not, it's clean, it's somewhere sticky. That's why absorptions are not there properly. So we need to clean that area, so it will be complete flow of the blood. And the mind creates everything, so we need to do the yoga and meditation, which can improve your stress, circulation, and enhances overall your body.
Wonderful. And one of the treatments that you have taught me, uh, you call it healthy juice. In our house, we call it jungle juice.
Yes.
And it's an amazing formula of lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, garlic, and ginger. And it's quite a recipe. And
Yes.
you can ask Dr. Sushant to give you that recipe for those of you who are suffering from heart disease, or you have a family history of heart disease. Yeah, I think that's really important that would be one of the medicines. And as he described, the Arjuna, and there's ashwagandha, and there's so many others. Now, I had heard about ashwagandha because I had listened to videos of other Ayurvedic doctors in the past, but it was Dr. Sushant who actually brought forward the home remedies like cinnamon, for example, and this healthy juice, and dalchini. Yeah, well, dalchini is cinnamon, and so on. So what we're saying here, if I was to summarize what you said, the body has to detoxify, right? So it's
Yes.
important that we're eating the right diet, that we're doing the panchakarma to detox the body, and then we need to replenish the body and put in the herbs that are going to heal the body. And then I also heard about the mind. Yeah.
Yes.
How important that the yoga and meditation is. And of course, in our science, the science of mind kinetics, which includes anybody can go to www.thebrainwalk.com and help themselves to identify what's really bothering them, what's causing them some stress in their lives, so that they can
Yes.
reduce it. So wonderful. Okay, folks, stay with us. We're going to come back for part 3. Talk to you soon.